What is the future of Malaysia in the next 5-10 years?
Well, if Najib is there, this country will go to the dogs. The economy will fail. Politically, this will not be any democratic in any way. This will be a dictatorship.
But in a democracy, and Malaysia claims to be a democracy, shouldn't the people kick out a prime minister, not the former prime minister?
No, the people has a right to do that, but he has closed all avenues for redress. The people cannot even speak. The newspapers do not publish anything about his misdeeds. So there is no way we can take action against him except by trying to make it well known to the people of Malaysia and the world that he has done a lot of wrong.